Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily fix your Adobe Acrobat that keeps on hanging when you're trying to apply redaction on your documents. Let's begin. First, open up the application itself. You may also open up your PDF document if you wish. Just go to the menu option over here, go to Preferences. Then on the left panel, you will have lots of options. Just make sure to scroll down and look for language. Now you can click on it once and over application language, make sure that this is always set in English. For some reason, some users out there, they have their options set to uh, same as the OS or operating system. Most likely this happened because of updates and old versions that did not carry over. Now, again, go ahead, select English, click on OK. Make sure to close everything, give it a fresh restart, open up your PDF viewer, and everything should not be working smoothly as ever. Go ahead, try to apply your redaction, and you will no longer face these issues. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.